From Jaipur in Rajasthan. Vishal, I'm sorry, apologies to keep you waiting out there. We were going through these numbers, crunching numbers. But for the BJP, Rajasthan news doesn't augur well as of now, as far as these initial trends are concerned. Over to you.
Well, absolutely, Sakal, and I understand that you need to do some analysis also. But I've been traveling in Rajasthan, and Rajasthan was never going BJP's way as far as 25 seats are concerned. And it's a big setback. A lot of answering needs to be done by the Bhajanlal government. Then Vasundhara Raje factor is also there, which is not openly spoken about by the BJP cadre. Meanwhile, BJP has won the Jaipur seat, and I have with me the Mahila Morcha cadre here, and they are also very excited. They are celebrating the Jaipur seat. आपको बीजेपी की उम्मीद थी जयपुर से जीतेंगी, लेकिन आप 25 की 25 सीटों पर नजरें लगाए हुए थे. कैसा लग रहा है, कैमरे में देख के बताइए.
बिल्कुल, हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. जयपुर शहर के अंदर मंजू शर्मा की जीत की पहले से ही हमें उम्मीद थी कि रिकॉर्ड तोड़ के जीत होगी उनकी, क्योंकि जयपुर शहर के जितने भी कार्यकर्ता लोगों ने जी जान लगा के इतनी मेहनत की थी कि पहले उम्मीद लगा के रखे थे कि हमारी जीत तो पक्की है.
लेकिन कांग्रेस भी अच्छा कर रही है. 12 सीटों पर अभी ट्रेंड्स में आगे चल रहे हैं. ऐसा तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया होगा आप लोगों ने?
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं किया था. हमें तो हमारी जीत का था कि हमें 400 पार ही करना था, और हम चाहते भी यही है कि अभी 400 पार होगा. धीरे धीरे अभी लग रही उम्मीद बढ़ती जा रही, छोटे छोटे कभी नीचे कभी ऊपर कभी नीचे, पर हमें लग रहा है कि 400 पार धीरे धीरे हो जाएगी.
So they are still very hopeful, and that sounds quite. I mean,
Vishal, we are getting some good news
for
the BJP in Rajasthan. Finally, they are leading on 14 seats with Congress behind. That's how Rajasthan looks like right now. Vishal, a quick one, and then we come back to the guests. BJP on 14, Congress way behind on 8, and others 3. Vishal.
Well, absolutely, Sakal, but even if Congress wins one seat, then it's a huge encouragement for them, because for the last 2 elections, they have not scored a single seat as far as Lok Sabha is concerned. Having lost the assembly seat and then giving a good fight in Rajasthan, because BJP was eyeing all 25 seats, is certainly a cause of concern for the state leadership and also for the central leadership, because they opted for Bhajanlal.
Yeah, it has been a complete sweep for the BJP in 2019, 24 out of 25, right now leading on 14, Congress behind them at 8. In 2019, Congress, Rajasthan used to be their bastion, could not even open an account. Thank you very much, Vishal, for joining us. And from Kerala, we're getting this big breaking where one result is out, and that is good news auguring well for the CPM, taking up